Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own textured EVA foam. For this project I'm going to be using 2mm EVA foam from Cosplay Fabrics as well as my Cricut machine. I'm doing 6x6 squares to show you, but you can use larger pieces. I've simply placed the EVA foam on the mat and used the Vinyl Plus setting on my machine. I found SVG files through Etsy, but you can create your own or find other ones online. Once that's done, your EVA foam is going to look a little dull and it will have some striations. So what you want to do is take your heat gun, and that's going to get rid of some of those striations and bring out all of those designs that the Cricut cut into the foam. So simply heat your foam until all of those designs are really popping. And if your foam begins to curl, don't worry, simply lay it flat and put a book or something like that on top of it. And then you're left with this awesome textured foam. You can use this for armor, props, terrains for a tabletop, or even dioramas. For this particular sample, I used faux leather, wood, and cobblestone, but you can create a multiple of textures for all of these projects. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful for all your projects, not just for cosplay. I hope that you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring Cosplay Fabrics. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.